Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course, and today I wanted to sit down and do a quick little Juvia's Place review. I have the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer in the shade Color 2, which I'm very excited to try out. And I also have Garden of Juvia's. I liked the colors when I saw it online, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this review. Actually, I lied. The Juvia's Place concealer is my absolute favorite. I have it in shade number 15, and this concealer I use as my foundation, and it doesn't leave me looking cakey. It leaves my skin looking hydrated. It's my favorite. So I wanted to try out some other Juvia's Place products. I do have the Juvia's Place Walhalla palette, but to be honest, I've never really used it besides the shimmery shades that I like in there. Hopefully I like this palette better. Let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eye. I love eye primer. The eye primer I use now is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and it's all right. I don't like it that much because when I put it, oh gosh, oh, that's watery. Oh, why is that? Am I supposed to shake this or something? I don't know if y'all saw that or not. I'm gonna go, oh, it's, okay, so I shook it. Let's try this again. I wanted to try out this eye primer because it has a shade on it that's kind of close to mine. The Anastasia one, if I put too much on, will leave the rest of my face white. So then I'll have to go back over it with concealer, which I don't like. So let's hope this one doesn't make as much of a mess, even though I already got some liquid on me. Okay. Ooh, that might, I think I used too much. I love using eye primer because it makes the colors pop and stay on my oily eyelids. I hope I like this one more than the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Oh yeah, directions: shake well before use, apply a thin layer. Should have read that at first. I feel like I put too much. That actually blended in really well with my skin tone. Really well. I love that. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, because this one is like a bright white. I did read the back on here, and it said there were some shades that it says are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. And I'm like, isn't my whole eyelid the immediate eye area? I don't know. Maybe they meant like waterline. I'm not sure. But yeah, Blooming, Lilac You, Peony, Purple Orchid, Flower Child, Marigold, Oh Honey, Gardenia, Sweet Lilac are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Like I said, I don't know what that means. I'm scared because I do have very sensitive skin and eyes. Wow. I'm immediately called to this like sea green, Lucky Clover. My favorite color is green, so I think that's really pretty. I love the shimmers. In the Walhalla palette, the shimmers are super beautiful. In the other palette I have, I don't ever really use the pressed pigments or the other eyeshadows. I only use the shimmers because the shimmers are super beautiful. So I can tell I'm gonna use the crap out of these shimmers. Like, they're very, very pretty. I like the Lucky Clover. I'm immediately called, yeah, to this one, and then the shimmer. Money Tree is the shimmer that I really like, this one. And then Peony is this cute pink color. And Oh Honey is like, I feel like is a pretty like blending color. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put it on my face and see where it goes. Ooh, I also like Daffodil. It's like a shimmery yellow. That's pretty. I love yellow. Love yellow. I don't know. Let me just hurry up and dip in and just go. There we go. That color is so pretty. Okay, so that was Lucky Clover. Now I'm taking Peony. Oh, I had a lot of fallout. Ooh. Oh, this reminds me of Trix Yogurt. This color combo. Oh Honey, which is the shade down here. And do some blending, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I need more Peony, but let me try blending. Oh Honey, blending real quick. Ooh, it's like a pretty bronzy orange. So far, so good. No complaints. I'm gonna take Blossom and put it over where I tried to blend the green and the pink. I don't know what I was thinking with that color combo. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. I'm gonna take Flower Petals right here and put it a little bit, ooh, on the green side. Ooh, that's pretty. That looks good. I like that. That's very pretty. So oh Honey, it says not to put near the immediate eye area, and that's what I put on the outer part, but I really want it on the bottom. It says not for immediate eye area. I don't know what that means, so let's just hope this is safe. I don't know. I'm blending it. So far so good. Now I'm gonna put Sunshine over the Oh Honey on the bottom. Juvia's Place knows how to do shimmers. Okay, beautiful. So let's see. I think I put too much because it kind of, there's a little bit of fallout, but oh well. And I'll just put it on the inner corner too. So I put some brown eyeliner on the bottom. I'm gonna do mascara, finish this eye, do my lip, my highlight, and then I'll be back with final thoughts. Makeup look complete. What do you guys think? I think it came out super cute. I just really hope you can see the shimmer. The shimmer is so pretty. Not in love with the colors I chose, but that's on me. I feel like I could have done better, especially with the beautiful color selection, but it is what it is. Love. I already threw away my Anastasia one. This one I love. Shake before use. It does say it right on the box. I give the eye primer a 10 out of 10. Now, as far as this palette goes, I honestly don't see myself using any of these colors ever again, but the shimmers, I absolutely love the shimmers. Juvia's Place knows how to make shimmers. I like how the color shifts and it doesn't look like glitter. It looks like shimmer. The great thing too about Juvia's Place is that it's very affordable. I know that they are sold in Ulta beauty stores, and I have never purchased anything from in the store. I've always purchased their stuff online because they have great sales on their website almost all the time. But yeah, that is all for this review. Please let me know if you liked it. Leave any comments down below if you've used any Juvia's Place products and what you thought of them. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.